Welcome to Bonza Brain. Please subscribe the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn prepositions for place.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The cat is on the table, below the table, beside the table, behind the table. The cat is on the table. The cat is above the table, below the table, beside the table, behind the table. The cat is below the table. The cat is above the table, below the table, beside the table, behind the table. The cat is beside the table. The cat is above the box, below the box, beside the box, behind the box. The cat is behind the box. The cat is in the box, on the box, out of the box, between the boxes. The cat is in the box. The cat is between the boxes, in the box, on the box, out of the box. The cat is between the boxes. The cat is in front of the fridge, away from the fridge, next to the fridge, under the fridge. The cat is in front of the fridge. The cat is in front of the fridge, away from the fridge, next to the fridge, under the fridge. The cat is away from the fridge. The cat is on the fridge, away from the fridge, next to the fridge, under the fridge. The cat is next to the fridge. The cat is above the bed, on the bed, next to the bed, under the bed. The cat is under the bed. The cat is near the mouse, beneath the mouse, at the mouse, on the mouse. The cat is near the mouse. The cat is at the shop, beneath the shop, on the shop, above the shop. The cat is at the shop. The cat is behind the car, below the car, in the car, above the car. The cat is below the car. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.